When the clouds roll in and the lights go out, we don't panic, we pack up and route. From the Gulf to the coast, we fire up the van. The cavalry's coming with a crescent wrench in hand. Out in Carolina or the Tampa heat, Ronco runs loud with no retreat. Texas is cooking, but Grassen won't quit. Their boots hit the ground and they're proud of it. Sales team smiling like nothing's wrong, but they've been on the phone all day long. GenerX humming like a Friday night. Fix my gens online, click, boom, light. We ain't just working, we show up and shine. You relax on the porch while we run the line. Canter's the name and empowers the biz. We light it up cause the cavalry don't miss. We're the cavalry, baby, got tools in tow. When the wind starts whipping, that's our show. Service vans line like a NASCAR pit, with a fresh pair of gloves and a full toolkit. We got hurricanes dancing, customers cheering. Power up the block, can you hear it? From GenerX to Ronco, we do what we do. Fix my gen, clicking right on cue. Technicians roll like a traveling van, covered in sweat and breaker dust tan. Texas brings heat, but we don't flinch. We turn storms into stories, inch by inch. Back at HQ, they're tracking the fleet. Shout out to dispatch, ain't missing a beat. You call, we haul, it's how we behave. We're Canter made and hurricane brave. Sunrise calls to storm front nights. We don't flinch, we flip the lights. Crack a joke, sling a chord with a twist, and flip that switch, cause the cavalry don't miss. We're the cavalry, baby, got tools in tow. When the wind starts whipping, that's our show. Fix my gens clicking, GenerX wins. With a hat full of grit and sunburnt grins. We don't wear capes, but we save the day. One panel at a time, then we're on our way. From Canter HQ to the county line, we bring the power every dang time. Storm hits hard, you're out of luck. Click, fix my gen, we pull up in the truck. Diagnostics run, we tighten that lug. Leave the scene clean with a wink and a shrug. From Texas to Tampa, we ride for the grid. Even your neighbors jealous of what we just did. We're the ones you call when the rest go missing. Fix my gen, baby, yeah, we really listen.